Good day everyone, my name is Harvey Giyang and today I will gonna perform the topical medication. And I'm a nursing student from Holy Trinity University. But first is check the MAR of the doctor's order to confirm the medication, and assume that we check the medication order of the doctor. First is perform hand hygiene. Second is wear a gloves. Then ask the patient or anahin natin yung patient. Alalayan natin yung patient. Then bago tayo apply ng medication natin is dapat malinis yung kamay ng patient. Yeah, we have to wash our patient's hand first. Sir, dito po yung hand po natin. Hugasan lang po natin ng kamay. Then after we apply after washing our patient's hand, we have to pat dry. We have to pat dry our patient's hand. Then before we apply the medication, we need to change our gloves. Then perform hand hygiene. Then use another non-sterile clean gloves. Then, bago tayo mag-apply sa patient natin is dapat sabihan natin yung patient natin na dapat makakaramdam po siya ng medyo malamig yung ating i-apply sa kanya. Then, we need to use a cotton ball applicator for us to hindi natin mahawakan yung mismong sugat ng patient. Dapat ilagay muna natin sa ating kamay yung medication na ibibigay natin sa patient bago natin i-apply sa mismong patient. And we use the cotton applicator. Sir, pwede pong paano po ng kamay ninyo. Sir, medyo makakakita na lang po sir. Sir, medyo makakaramdam po kayo ng medyo malamig. And after po nito is makakapag medyo breezy po yung pakiramdam po nito sir. Then after we apply the cotton applicator, we have to remove it or we have to dish out or itapon natin sa tamang tapunan. Then, ang ating sinuot na gloves is tatanggalin na rin natin. Sir, okay na po din yung hintay na lang. And perform hand hygiene before we record our patient's order. Then, permahan natin yung chart kasi pag hindi natin pinarmahan, ibig sabihin hindi natin nagawa yung procedure or yung pinapagawa ng doctor. That's all. Thank you.